Hello Miss Vivian friends. So today I want to present about 3 articles that I have choose, and it's about business creation. So the first article is impacts of digital twin on new business creation, insight from manufacturing industry. And the research was conducted by Mira Timperi, Kirsi Kokkonen, Lea Hanola, and Kale Elfengren at LUT University, Finland. So this study utilized a qualitative research approach involving semi-structured thematic interviews and iterative Delphi survey. The semi-structured interviews consist of pre-ordained open-end question and discussion between interviews and interviews. The Delphi method, traditionally used in forecasting, gathers in-depth views of experts, and the research team contact participants via email, conducted interviews online, and classified data using the thematic analysis. And the Delphi survey also involved the 3 cycles to gather expert opinions on the business effects of digital twins in Finnish manufacturing companies. So the background of this article was manufacturing industry about pursue competitive advantage. So pursuing a competitive advantage involves seeking ways to differentiate a company's product or service from its competitors in a way that gives it an edge in the market. In the context of digital twins, companies can pursue competitive advantage by leveraging the technology to enhance their operation, improve efficiency, and deliver superior value to the customer. And digital twins also can provide insight for better decision making, optimize process, and enable the predictive maintenance, and all of which can lead to cost saving, increased productivity, and better customer satisfaction. So the first theories of this article is digital transformation. So digital transformation refers to the process of integrating digital technologies into various aspects of a business organizations to fundamentally change how it operates and delivers value to customer. And the next is innovation management. Innovation management is the process of effectively managing innovation within an organization to drive growth, create value, and stay competitive. It involves the systematic planning, implementations, and the control strategies, process, and activities that foster innovations. Last theories was business development. Business development involves activities and strategies aimed at creating growth opportunities, expanding market reach, and increasing probability for a company. Next is the research question. So the research question is emerging digital twins on business development within the manufacturing sector. The first one is enhance a business process. Enhancing business process refers to improving the efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance of various operations within a company. The results of these articles is the first, digital twins can help to maintenance the manufacturing industry. Second, digital twins can help the manufacturing industry to sourcing and sales. And the last is product development and production. So the next article is about the business creation process and Latin American entrepreneurs. The author of this article is Catalina Nicolas Martinez and Alicia Rubio Benin, and this article was published in 2021. The article is discussed the relationship between entrepreneurship and the economic development, particularly in Latin America. It highlights that the creation and development of new companies play a crucial role in of a region. Entrepreneurs not only generate by economic benefits for themselves, but also indirectly contribute to employment, innovations, and resource mobilizations. In Latin America, there is the distinction between opportunity-driven companies and necessity-driven companies. The prevalence of necessity entrepreneurship in developing countries is often a result of low economic growth. And the article also mentions that entrepreneurship can arise as an opportunity in developed countries, leading to positive economic growth. The theories of this article is the first is entrepreneurial behavior, second personality traits, the third is management approach, and the last one is psychological approach. The article data was collected by the global entrepreneurship and by individually. And the research question of this article is understanding the factors influencing entrepreneurship in Latin America and investigate the prevalence of personal factors such as perceptions of opportunities, self-efficacy, fear of failure, and socializations in the decisions to start a business. The result of these articles is the Latin American entrepreneurs are diverse from previous literature profiles. The last article is about entrepreneurial mindset and business creations among undergraduate students in Malaysia Public University. It explores about the relationships between entrepreneurial mindset and business creations among undergraduate students in public universities in Malaysia. It delves into the importance of fostering an entrepreneurial mindset to encourage students to start a business. Even if the face of uncertainty, the study methodology involves identifying theoretical concepts, developing research tools, conducting data collections, and analyzing the result. The research aims to understand how entrepreneurial mindset influence business creations and the role of entrepreneurship programs and social media in this process. The study populations also comprises of 500 students from Malaysia's public universities, and the research used a quantitative approach with self-administrate online questionnaires, and the findings are expected to provide insight for enhancing entrepreneurship educations in public universities. And the author of this article is Aryati Abdurrahman, Shirat Sahid, Muhammad Yusuf Muhammad Nur, and Ahmad Zamri Mansur, and this article also was published in 2023. The background of this article is existing knowledge to entrepreneurships, self-efficacy to engaging in entrepreneurial activities, family background about family history on entrepreneurships, and the last is environment factors on entrepreneurships. The methodology of this article is about theoretical study model, about developing research tools and actual data collections. The object of this article is to investigate the relations between entrepreneurial mindset and undergraduate students in public universities Malaysia. The next is theories about this article is entrepreneurships and mindset. It's about the first one is self-efficacy theory about cognitive and behavior. The second is entrepreneurial mindset theory about empathy, the belief. The third is environmental theory and impact of external factor about culture, institutions, social influence, and on entrepreneurships. And the last is structural equation modeling or SEM to test and validate relationships. Next, the research questions of this article is to test the impact of entrepreneurial mindset on business creations. The second is explore the role of university programs, and the last is assess the influence of the social media. And the result of this article is to examine further the importance of entrepreneurships. Next is the similarities between the three articles. All the articles were discussed about business creations and also the process of creating and nurturing new business, whether through leveraging technology like digital twins, understanding the dynamics of entrepreneurships in specific regions like Latin America, or fostering an entrepreneurial mindset among students. The first article, Digital Twins and New Business Creations, is talk about entrepreneurial journey and the ability to rapidly prototype and iterate ideas is crucial for success. The second article is Business Creations Process and Latin American Entrepreneurs. Is talk about the process of creating a business involves various stage and Latin American entrepreneurs face unique challenge and opportunities shaped by the socio-economic and cultural landscape of the region. And the last article, Entrepreneurial Mindset and Business Creation Among Undergraduate Students in Malaysia Public University, is talk about encouraging entrepreneurships among students can lead to the creations of innovative startups and contribute to economic growth. And the differences between these three articles were the method. The first article is using qualitative research method. The second is individual method, and the last one is using theoretical study model. Next is different object. The first article object is digital twins and new business. The second article object is analyzing the cognitive characteristic, and the last article objects is about entrepreneurial mindset. And the last is different result. Each article has their own result. First article, the results is digital twins in the manufacturing industry can maintenance, sourcing and sales, development and productions. The second article, Latin American entrepreneurs can differ from previous literature profiles. And the last article is examine further the importance of entrepreneurships helps graduate prepare. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Dadah!